Our top story, 16 years after Ruchika Girhotra committed suicide after being molested by a man who rose to become Director General of Police, the wheels of justice may finally be catching up. Now, Ruchika's brother Ashu has filed a new FIR against SPS Rathore, where he stated that Rathore and the Panchkula police falsely arrested and tortured him and drove his sister to suicide. The abetment to suicide charge, if proven, can land Rathore in jail for 10 years.
सिस्टर रुचिका के साथ मोलेस्टेशन हुई 1990 में
जी
उसके बाद जिस तरह से हमारे साथ टॉर्चर हुआ हमारी फैमिली के साथ मेरे साथ मेरे पे फॉल्स केसेस डाल दिए गए और मुझे टॉर्चर किया गया उसके कारण मेरी सिस्टर ने सुसाइड कर लिया।
Ashwini, what happened to you in the police custody?
पुलिस कस्टडी में मेरे साथ 3rd डिग्री टॉर्चर हुआ।
What can you please explain what torture you have gone through?
मिस्टर राठौर वहाँ आते थे, वो खुद देखते थे टॉर्चर, खुद बैठ के करवाते थे।
आप क्या चाहते हैं?
मेरी डिमांड ये है कि वो अरेस्ट होना चाहिए और उस पर 306 लगनी चाहिए। And he should be behind the bar.
Ruchika's elder brother Ashu today broke his silence for the first time since his sister committed suicide 16 years ago. He says the Panchkula police harassed and tortured him. Their aim, to force his sister to drop molestation charges against SPS Rathore, a top Haryana cop. 7 cases of car theft were slapped against Ashu and he was arrested twice. But there was worse. In his affidavit, he says, I was paraded handcuffed and half naked in the lane where I lived. When I asked for water, the police officer urinated in front of me in a glass and asked me to drink it. A couple of days later, I came to know that my sister had committed suicide. I was kept in police custody for more than 2 months. Ashu was acquitted in all cases, but now he has named local police officials as well as Rathore for torturing him and to force his sister to drop the case. But by speaking up, he could provide the grounds for tougher action against Rathore, particularly trying him for abetting Ruchika's suicide. So far, the CBI and police claim Ashu should have spoken earlier. But even now, it won't be easy, because the High Court and the Supreme Court had earlier struck down charging Rathore with abetment of suicide. With Siddharth Pandey and Vikram Chaudhary, Chetan Bhattacharjee for NDTV.
Tuba.com